Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid to Glide for account linking, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Plaid to Glide for account linking, begin by creating a Plaid account if you haven't already. Visit the Plaid website and sign up for a free developer account. Once registered, log into your Plaid dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Keys section to find your client ID and secret. Next, head over to the Glide website and open your Glide app. Go to the settings of your Glide app. Find the Data section within the settings. In that section, look for the option to connect an API. Select Plaid from the list of available integrations. Enter your Plaid client ID and secret in the designated fields. Make sure to configure the environment to sandbox for testing purposes. Save your changes within the Glide app settings. Now, return to the Plaid dashboard and click on API to find the API keys. In the Glide app, go to the screen where you want to add account linking. Add a button or component for account linking. Set up an action for this button to trigger the Plaid link functionality. In the action settings, specify the necessary parameters for the Plaid link. These typically include your client ID, the selected environment, and user options. Test the link integration within the Glide app to ensure it connects properly. If successful, you should be able to select and link bank accounts via Plaid. Monitor the account linking process for any errors or issues. Finally, review the linked accounts in your Glide app to ensure everything is functioning. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Plaid to Glide for account linking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.